Honey is undoubtedly a very tasty ingredient present in the kitchen. From putting it all over your morning toast or adding it in green tea, honey enhances the flavor altogether. But is honey safe for your kidneys? In what amount should you consume honey? Which kind of honey is the best? And can kidney patients consume honey? Are these questions worrying you too? Not anymore, as we have got solutions for all your kidney problems. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Kidney Expert, presented by Karma Ayurveda. Here you get all notifications and updates related to the kidneys and Ayurveda. Since ancient times, honey has been used as both a food and a medicine. Honey is very highly beneficial plant compound which offers several health benefits. Actually, if you compare honey with sugar, you would notice that honey is a better alternative to it because of its low calorie content. Can kidney patients take honey too? We are going to set this story straight, but before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get all notifications from us. In this video, we will proceed to the whole theory and all the queries related to the consumption of honey and your kidneys. Let me tell you that honey is really good for your health and it also helps in keeping kidneys healthy. Honey is full of different nutrients too. Let's see what are the benefits of consuming honey. First one is, honey contains many important antioxidants. These antioxidants could reduce the risk of heart attack, stroke and even some types of cancer. The second benefit of consuming honey is it helps in detoxing the kidneys. Honey is helpful for a healthy kidney and helps remove toxins from them. Another benefit is that it plays a very crucial role in reducing blood pressure. According to a study, honey is beneficial for heart disease, which automatically helps in lowering blood pressure. Studies have shown a modest reduction in blood pressure after eating honey. You know, honey also helps to suppress cough and cold. Yes, this is very true. Honey can directly help in reducing cough in children. You are all aware that cough is a common problem as the season changes, and if you are facing seasonal coughs, honey is relatively better than other medicines. Other than this, honey is very helpful in boosting sleeping patterns. Reports show that people with sleeping disorders had a better sleep after consuming honey regularly. Now you know some of the benefits of adding honey in your diet. But the question still remains that is honey good for kidney patients? Let me tell you that a kidney patient can also consume honey. But do remember to consult your doctor to know the right amount that could be consumed. If you are diabetic, consuming honey is not a very good option for you. There is no doubt that honey is a better and healthy alternative to sugar, but it is not very suitable for a diabetic patient as it contains sugar in it. If you are suffering from any other disease, it is recommended that you consult your dietitian before making any changes in your diet. If you are facing any kidney disease problem and are concerned about your kidney-friendly diet, no need to worry as we have got all your problems covered. We, Karma Ayurveda, are a reputed kidney care institution where Ayurveda is the key to treat all kidney disorders. We are acclaimed internationally for our 100% naturally produced herbs and authentic Ayurvedic traditional healing. In recent decades, Ayurvedic traditions have been studied and developed further and have proven to be more effective than modern science. Ayurveda has the potential to heal and aid all sorts of health disorders with a healthy lifestyle and healthy eating patterns. We recommend Ayurveda not only because natural herbs are more effective, but also they do not have any side effects. Ayurvedic traditions of life can lead you towards a better and healthy standard of living. Even patients of dialysis or at the last stage can be benefited from Ayurveda. If you or anyone in your family has any kidney problem, get Ayurvedic treatment from our kidney specialist Dr. Puneet Dhawan. You can book your online appointment by clicking on the link given below in the description area. Our address and contact number is being displayed on your screen. We hope you liked our video and it has solved all your queries related to the topic. For more information on kidney problems, please subscribe and press the bell icon for all the updates from us. If you have come this far, please click the like button if you like the video. Share your thoughts about the video in the comment section down below as we would love to hear your feedback. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends and family, and thank you for watching the video. We will soon return with a new and interesting topic about your kidneys.